Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the least common multiple and highest common factor. Okay. So here if I take any two numbers, if 20, 12 are any two numbers. So here we have to discuss about the common multiple. So multiples of 20 multiples are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and so on. Okay. So we are having infinite multiples. Okay. So similarly 12 multiples are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, okay, 72 and so on. Now out of these two, which is the common? So we don't have 20, 20, 40, no, we don't have 40 here. Now observe, we are having 60, 60, okay. In both of these two, we are having 60 is the common. So 60 will be the least common multiple of 20, 12. So 20 multiples low, 12 multiples low, we are having 60 is the least. Similarly, for the same two numbers, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, number 5, 10, 20. For 20, for 12, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now, so we have to deal with the common factor and it will be highest. Now, we are having 1, 1 common, okay, 2, 2 common here, okay. So highest common factor of 20, 12 will be 4. Therefore, here the least common multiple 20, 12 multiples లో ఏదైతే కామన్ ఉంటుందో కామన్ అవుతూ అది కూడా లీస్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? టూ నంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు వాటి యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్లో కామన్ ఉండాలి, కామన్లో కూడా లీస్ట్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఎల్సిఎం. కమింగ్ టు ది హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. సో ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 12, 20. సో వాటిలో కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉండాలి, దాంట్లో కూడా హైయెస్ట్ ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ ఈస్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ L.C.M and H.C.F. Okay. Now, if I take any two numbers, okay, if I take A, B are any two numbers, okay. Now, L.C.M of A, B into H.C.F of A, B, it will be equal to A into B. Okay. In the earlier case, ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. So we have taken 20, 12 na. So what is the LCM of 20, 12? We got the LCM as 60 into what is the highest common factor? We got it as 4. It will be equal to A into B. So 20 into 12. So 6 4 ja 24, 0. 12 2 ja 24, 0. ఓకేనా? సో ఏవైనా రెండు నంబర్లు తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ రెండింటి యొక్క ఎల్సిఎం ఇంటూ ఆ రెండింటి యొక్క హెచ్సిఎఫ్. ఓకే, ఆ రెండు నంబర్ల ఎల్సిఎం ఇంటూ ఆ రెండు నంబర్ల యొక్క హెచ్సిఎఫ్ అనేది దేనికి సమానం అవుతుంది? ఆ రెండు నంబర్ల యొక్క ప్రొడక్ట్కి సమానం అవుతుంది. ఓకే, హియర్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ విల్ బి, ఓకే, LCM of two numbers will be always greater than the HCF of those two numbers. LCM అనేది ఎప్పటికి కూడా HCF కంటే పెద్దగానే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇంకోటి LCM will be multiple of HCF of those two numbers. గమనించండి ఇక్కడ. So we got LCM as LCM of 20 comma 12, that is 60. Okay, now 60 is the multiple of 4 na, because for 20 comma 12, okay, for the 20 comma 12 we got LCM as 60 and HCF as 4. So 60 will be the multiple of 4. Okay na? One more formula we are having. Okay, if I take A comma B are any two numbers. Okay, now if highest common factor of A comma B, if it is D, okay, highest common factor of A comma B, if it is D, therefore A will be D into X. Now similarly number B will be D into Y. Here condition will be X comma Y are co-primes. Okay, now what is the LCM of A comma B? LCM of A comma B will be D into X into Y. So it is one of the famous formula. Okay, if I take some example for this one, now if I take the earlier numbers only 20 comma 12. Okay, so what is the highest common factor we got for the 20 comma 12? That is the 4. Okay, now we can write 20 as number 1 as 4 into something. Now similarly 12 as 4 into something. Here X comma Y are co-primes. Okay, now we can write LCM of 20 comma 12 as 4 into X into Y. Okay, here what is the value of X here? Here X will be equal to 5. What is the value of Y here? It will be 3. So 4 into X into Y na, so 4 into X value 5, Y value 3. So what is the LCM there? 4 5 is 20, 23 is 60. Okay na?